So it is time to pick another RC off the giveaway pile, the Everything Gotta Go giveaway. And this will be number 10, and we're looking for the Lishi Toys L6065. And right there it is. So here is the L6065 from Lishi Toys. Now, unfortunately, it is an infrared drone, so that means it can't be flown outdoors. Well, it shouldn't be flown outdoors because with infrared, the UV rays from the sun, they interfere with the signal. But this is not a review of this drone. This is just me checking it out, making sure it works, so that way I can put it in for the Everything Gotta Go giveaway, and this will be number 10. But it does come with the instruction manual. It'll come with a USB charger. And then here we have the drone. Now it comes in 3 colors, but I got the white one here. Comes in red, yellow, and then white. But here is the controller. It takes 3 AAAs. And then we get our little pegs here for the sticks. This did come with a 3.7 volt, 200 milliamp hour single cell LiPo. We're gonna switch this out, and I wanna give whoever wins this a fresh battery. I bought a bunch of these 3.7 volt, 220 milliamp hour single cell LiPos because I knew I'd be switching out a lot of them to do this giveaway. So let's plug the battery in. Let's bind it up now that I have batteries in. Let's see if it flies. Okay, it wants to fly. Okay, well, the propellers are spinning. It does want to take off the table. As you can see, I'm flashing low voltage, so I want to charge this battery up, and then I'm going to take it somewhere and fly it around somewhere a little bit bigger than... Okay, so we have the battery charged, and we're going to plug it in to turn it on. So let's put it down on a flat surface, and then we're gonna bind it. I just want to see if this still flies as good as it did when I reviewed it 4 years ago. So I did say this isn't going to be a review, but I could make it a review because there's nothing really to this drone. The only thing that this drone has is it does have flips, and you just press the center button here and then a direction. Oh, it didn't like that. Let's try it again. Let's press it. Let's do a backflip. So it still flies pretty good. It's not too strong on the flips. And then this is top speed here. So it's not real fast either. Let's put it down here. And then this is your trim, whichever way you need to trim it, you know, forward, backwards, or left or right. Well, yeah, that'll be it. Let's bring it down here. That'll be it for this. So the Lishi Toys L6065 is going to be Everything Gotta Go giveaway number 10. Not only will you get the new battery, I also tested this one out. I charged it up, I put it in a drone, and I got a full flight out of this battery. I flew for maybe 5-6 minutes before I got low voltage. So this battery still does work, and I'm going to throw this in as well. So then you'll get 2 batteries for twice the fun. So now to the giveaway, and it's simple to enter. All you do is you comment down below, and that's your entry. You just have to be a subscriber from the US, and then join me Saturday, April 15th, where I'll do a live drawing where I pick the winner. So that'll be it for this video. Good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway, and I can't wait to see who wins this ready to run RC.